Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, choose apps at the top right corner and look for clock. Then select alarm and clock icon over here and tap on alarm if it's not already on. Then tap on this plus icon at the top right corner and set time. You have to set up an hour, and when you're ready, save it by tapping on done. Now choose repeat and pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Save your changes by tapping on OK. Then you need to click on alarm sound and pick one of those options. I will go with media storage. Then select just once or always. I will go with just once and pick one of those sounds as your new alarm sound by tapping on the best one for you, like that one, and choosing OK. Now click on snooze duration and pick how many minutes your snooze will take. Then click on advanced alarm settings, and over here you can label your alarm however you wish to. I will go with work. Choose done on your keyboard. Select alarm volume, adjust actually, and over here click on auto silence time. Now pick one of those options by tapping on the best one for you, click on alarm in silent mode to enable or disable this feature, and tap on set kids behavior. Pick one of those options, I will go with snooze, and when you're ready, click on done at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always tap on it, and over here, edit it however you wish to. I will go with 10 minutes of snooze. Then save your changes by tapping on them at the top right corner. You can also delete your event by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner as well, selecting delete, selecting your alarm and choosing delete at the top right corner one more time. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!